Hi friends, you need a perfect website for your business, and if you are willing to create a wonderful website, a stylish website for a salon or barber shop, this video is for you. And even if you are willing to create a hair stylist or makeup artist website and different type of salons, even salon with shop option, this is going to be a very useful video for you. And in this video we are going to create a demo website for barber shop, salon or makeup artist, and we can target any of these websites as you are watching on the screen. And for this we are going to use a wonderful WordPress theme called Glamon, and Glamon is a dedicated WordPress theme for salon and barber shop. So I'm sure you are not going to decide any WordPress theme without knowing its complete feature, and watch this video until the end to understand the complete features, functionality and possibility with the Glamon WordPress theme. And I'll also show you the theme installation process, the demo import process, basic customization options and all such things that are available with this theme. And the theme has been developed by originally Radiant Themes. So at Radiant Themes are the developer and they are elite authors at the theme forest. This theme is compatible with WooCommerce latest version and WordPress versions, and you are going to get the complete feature that you need for a barber shop or salon website. So let us quickly install this theme first to understand the complete feature. And I am assuming you have already taken the domain name and hosting for your upcoming website. If not, you may consider to take a ready-made package that comes with everything to start your website. Just follow the link given in the description. You can get the theme, you can get the hosting, whatever you want for your website, all is available there in the links. So just follow the link that that are available in the description of this video. So let us quickly install the theme first, and I have this theme pack. In the theme pack I have documentation, licensing and some plugins has been provided like Visual Composer, Radiant Themes add-ons and Radiant Theme Custom. Post type is also available, and this is the main theme file and the child theme file. So we are going to use this glamon.zip main theme file for our installation. To install the theme, we have to be in the theme section of WordPress and click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here we need to choose glamon.zip. and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the theme directly to WP content themes folder using the FTP or the file manager of your hosting. So I am doing the same. I wish to show you the theme file size, and the theme file size is just 5.03 MB. It is amazing, and it is a well optimized theme. It is very lightweight and it is going to work very fast on your website. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, you can extract the uploaded file, and the extraction outcome is this Glamon folder in which we got all the theme components. Now simply delete this zip one, it is not required now. And you can also upload the theme directly using this WordPress interface as I shown. So both will bring the same result. Don't get confused. So you have to use only one method of uploading the theme. Okay, so now we have uploaded the theme and we can come back to the themes screen, and here is the Glamon as another theme option along with the default theme. Let us check the details, and this is Glamon version 1.0.2. so as on date, this is being the latest version with me. And when you are ordering the theme by following the link given in the description of this video, you might be getting the updated versions as available. So the installation process will remain same almost, and Glamon WordPress theme is perfectly caters to the online business needs. All hair stylist, makeup artist, beauty care professionals, you want to have a beautiful website for their own. Okay, wonderful. So this is the introduction, and we can activate the theme now. Upon activation, we got an alert that we okay, so WP memory limit is to be increased, so this all should be very green. and we can increase the WP memory simply by editing the WP config file. I'll show you how you can edit. Rest of things are fine, and I'll show you how to increase the WP memory. So minimum requirement is 256 M and currently it is 40 M. So let us increase it by editing the WP config file, and this is the config file, and I'm going to add one single line, and this is the line where we can add all. That's all. Stop editing, happy publishing. So simply add a line. So you can copy the line from internet. This is the defined WP memory limit 256 M, and save the changes, and it should be fine now. So I'm going to refresh this page, and yes, it is perfect now. All is green here, and we have documentation, open support ticket, and all such options are here. But first of all, we need to install certain plugins in order to get complete features of this theme. Let us see what is here. So these are the list of plugins, and there are very few plugins required for this theme, and this is good that this theme is less dependent on external plugins. So this is the beauty of the theme, and this theme uses the Redux framework, and it is technically very advanced framework for WordPress. And one click demo import is also here. Theme Rex, Radiant themes add-ons are here. Radiant themes coupon, and so WooCommerce and its associates are here. We can simply install all this plugin and activate all plugins button is here. Simply click on this button. This will install and activate all the plugins. So it is very simple to install the plugins, and it is not going to take much time. So it all depends again on your internet speed and of course on your server capacity. So this is why I am requesting you to choose a very suitable hosting plan for your WordPress website, because if you are not having a suitable hosting plan, your website is not going to work fast, and if it is not fast, it is not going to be successful. Okay, so activate all plugins, and all plugins has been activated. Click here to continue with the demo import process, and it is simple to install as of now. So just click on the link given in the bottom, and here is the demo data import option. And meanwhile, we can take a look at our website, how it looks with all set of plugins and the theme itself. Okay, so this is the basic look of website that is using Glamon theme. And yes, so we can target website like any of this, and we have to import the demo content. So okay, so we can close this, and here is the import demo data option. Simply click on import demo data, and this is the screen. Some plugins has been offered. We don't need these plugins for now, and simply click on import. Okay, so it is going to take time, and don't hinder the process. Don't refresh the page, don't hit the back button. If you really want to check whether the demo import is going on, simply open the media library in another tab, and you should be getting some images here. So as of now, in just few seconds, we got 102 media items. Amazing. So it is very fast really, and again it depends on your server capacity and internet speed. So just wait and watch until you get any message on this screen. So let the process to be completed. Okay, so I got this message. It is saying import complete, and your import completed, but some things you may not import it properly. So some media items failed to import: header girl, pricing model, portfolio image, left booking image, and most of images are missing. But yes, we can check our website how it looks meanwhile. So it is not an error actually. So images might be missing. Of course, we are not going to use. Okay, this is the wonderful website we have now. So the installation process was simple, and we got all the components here, and I believe we have received the inner pages as well. I'll show you the number of pages that we receive, and it is working very fast. It is strange. Okay, so it is really amazing, and we can check the other home pages as well. and yes, it is here. So the installation process was very smooth, and even a non-technical person can create a website using this theme. It is complete, and in all respect it is complete. And so as you seen on the screen, so I don't followed any technical step, and the installation was really smooth, and now you can easily decide about the theme. So it is very simple to use and easy to install. So you can take this theme without any doubt. You can decide about this theme, and it is really amazing. So I will show you the backend now. So the complete website is here, and you can choose any of the homepage. All home pages are available. It is great. And get access on even on. Okay, so it is not required. And yes, I'll show you number of pages what we got in this installation, and I'll show you the media items as well. So I believe we have got 466 media items has been provided in the demo. It is very good number, and we got these images in just few minutes. It is wonderful. And okay, so if we talk about the pages, 39 published pages are available. So we can use these already made pages for our website, and don't forget to delete those pages that you are not using, because it is going to be indexed by the search engine, and that is not going to very good impact if you are using or showing any demo content at your website. And so 39 posts and multiple images are here, and we can simply check what additional we got in this installation. So I'll show you just those things that we got in addition to the default WordPress options. So comments are here, and we can testimonials are also new thing, and we can manage the testimonials from this screen. I'll show you the testimonials as well. So this is simple testimonial option, and you have to handle the testimonials from similarly team options are additional, and you can handle the team options. And this is the team page, and again, if you are not using any page, just delete that page. Portfolio is also additional thing, and you can have a look at portfolio as well. Okay, so this is portfolio, and again we are coming back to the dashboard. Case studies new, clients is also new. I mean, new means in addition to default WordPress options. So okay, so we can check the clients. I'm just giving you overview what is available in this installation, so that you may understand the complete features. Custom footers are also here. So all footers, so means you can handle the footer area from this section. Again, what we theme options, I'll definitely show you. Rest of things are as common as in WordPress. WP Bakery is a page builder being used by this theme. And okay, so I'll show you the theme options. And this is the very general and to the point theme options. I'm just giving you a quick look. This is layout, color is in your control, fab icon, fonts, custom slug, preloader, page transition, scroll on top, and GDPR notice. Okay, so GDPR notice is also a header. In the header area, you can select multiple header styles. The multiple header styles are all available. Default setting, header 1 setting, and multiple settings are here. And don't leave any external link at your website. This is another SEO tip for you. So just change the link. Like for logo, you have to upload the logo from here, and in the header area you have to upload logo. Similarly, footer you can choose, elements are here, scroll bar, button options. Okay, so button you can control, contact form, pages, so 404 maintenance mode, coming soon pages also here, team options. shop option, social icons, custom CSS. So these are the options. Don't disturb this custom CSS, it is important. So if you want to edit, just copy on a text editor and then edit this. Okay, so it is fine, and everything is fine in this installation. And finally I'm going to show you how to edit the content of page. So this theme uses WP Bakery page builder, and you can edit the page content. Okay, so it is I just wish to show the site. This is the site, and we can open the page that we want to edit and simply click on the edit with the WP Bakery page builder. And I believe you can simply edit the page using the page builder if you know this. And if you are new to WP Bakery page builder, just take a backup of page that you are editing, and just in case if you made any mistake, you can restore the page. Simply click on the pencil icon that you want to edit, and you will be able to edit the content. And just remember, you have to use same length content, same length text content, and same dimension image that has been used in the demo, so that integrity of design may remain intact. And it is very simple to edit the content, but yes, you have to take care of the dimension of images and length of text. And simply and if you don't want any area, you can delete the specific areas as well. And you can use the backend editor as well. So backend editor is more convenient to handle. So this is the backend editor, and you can use this as well. So I believe everything is fine, and you can simply create a wonderful website using this Glamon WordPress theme. And if you are having any question regarding this theme, customization and all, so you can simply get in touch with us by following the link given in the description, that is through the WP themes website, and we will be able to try to our level best to handle your queries. And you can also put some comments in the comment section of this video. So just start making your website. You are going to get a wonderful website with this theme. Okay, so let us meet on another video in which I am going to bring wonderful WordPress resource for you. Thanks for watching. Keep building. Thank you.